Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best automatic hose timers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Orbit 62034 Mechanical Watering Hose Timer. Colors may vary. Orbit is North America's premier company for residential watering. With a presence in over 180 countries and 6 continents, we offer the most complete ecosystem of solutions across hose faucet, hose end, underground, drip, mist, and yard protection. For over half a century, we have led the industry in innovative solutions, accumulating over 100 active patents and many industry recognition awards. From PVC lock, blue lock, and drip lock, which are an extraordinarily fast way to connect sprinkler pipe and drip tubing, to our technologically advanced, best-selling B-hyve smart controllers, we have modernized the industry, set the standard for residential irrigation best practices, and made outdoor watering efficient for households around the world. HydroRain is the cutting-edge commercial and agricultural counterpart of Orbit, featuring BoILT for speed offerings that are engineered specifically for professional contractors and growers. Number 2. Orbit 21004 B-hyve Smart Hose Faucet Timer with Wi-Fi Hub, compatible with Alexa, Gray. Complete control. The B-hyve app is fully functional for Android, iOS, or web devices and gives you control wherever you need it, from anywhere in the world. Program the timer using the app, or let the weather-based software create it for you. Smart WoATORING. WeatherSense technology provides watering based on site conditions such as slope, soil type, sun/shade, historical ED, and live weather. Feeds it automatically adjusts your controller to deliver the right amount of water to your plants. CRDFIE2 to save water. B-hyve is certified for the rigorous WaterSense testing protocols, ensuring it will save you water. No DEFLO. The built-in flow meter allows you to track water usage and can be measured by gallons or by time, ideal for all kinds of applications, including watering plants, gardening, washing your car, filling your pool, and greenhouse/hydroponics. Number 1. Instapark Picoke T07 Outdoor Waterproof Digital Programmable Single Outlet Automatic On-Off Water Faucet Hose Timer with Rain Delay and Manual Control. Green. Single-station digital programmable faucet water timer with impulse solenoid valve attaches to any garden outdoor hose faucet with a standard 3/4 GHS thread and offers flexible and effective control of watering frequency and duration with simple, straightforward, foolproof, and user-friendly programming. Weather-resistant, impact resistance, premium ABS construction with dust cover, ideal for irrigation applications in gardens, yards, greenhouses, flower beds, and etc. Waterproof, rated at IP66. Bright, vivid, and easy to read. Large 2.1x1 LED display alternates between current time and timer status with bar graph battery strength indicator. Duration selectable, 24, 48, or 72 hours. Rain delayed and manual option ensure complete control and maximum water conservation without altering the timer's program.